The LunaTouch comes with a frost protection feature. To enable this, press the power button. This will show a frost shield symbol and sets the thermostat to a factory default of 12 degrees, and overrides any other schedule previously set on the thermostat. This frost protection temperature can be set anywhere between 7 and 17 degrees. You can set the frost protection temperature by pressing the up and down arrows. And then click OK. To disable the frost protection feature, simply press the power button again. The shield snowflake symbol will disappear, and the thermostat will return to the previously set schedule. The LunaTouch is equipped with a Keypad Lock function. To enable this, simply press the up and down arrow buttons together for 5 seconds. This will apply a padlock symbol on the screen. This is now locked and the buttons will not do anything. All that happens is the padlock symbol flashes. To unlock your thermostat again, press and hold the up and down arrows to make the padlock symbol disappear.